Dito na naman ako is your Stockman Turnil. So, today guys, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung preparation ko for the upcoming trading week. Specifically sa Philippine stock market. Although, nagtitrade din ako sa US market, forex, cryptocurrencies, and other markets. So, if you are trading the Philippine stock market and you are planning to buy something for next week or makita man lang yung status ng ating market sa Pilipinas ay this video is for you. So stay tuned and learn. Alright, so kanina lang ay nagkaroon ako ng filtering kung nasaan yung magandang mga stock. At iniisa-isa ko yung mga stocks base sa na-filter using my screener, investor screener. So meron ako mga na-ilista ng mga stocks like MA, PRMX, VUL, MAC, Nickel, APO, Tech, and Cebu Pacific. But before tayo dumako doon ay tingnan muna natin yung index kasi ito talaga yung sinusundan natin para malaman ngayon yung status ng merkado natin sa Pilipinas. So a week ago, my bias was still bearish for the Philippine stock market index. And ngayon, tingnan naman natin ulit kung ano yung status. Right? So tingnan natin. So basically, here, makikita natin na talagang bearish pa rin. So although 2 days ago, may nakita tayong engulfing bullish candle. Ito yon. So okay, let me change the color of my pen. Ito yon. Okay, ayan. So bullish engulfing pero sinundan ng another white candle na hindi man lang hindi nakakapag-close above the EMA 21. Sa halip ay nagkaroon ng bearish engulfing. So this means to say guys that still even if nag-a-attempt yung market natin na mag-bounce back, pero yung bounce niya is talagang napakaliit na volume. So wala masyadong interest sa ating merkado. So parang malabo ito mag-reverse pa. So yung possible talaga na mangyayari dito is a continuation of the downtrend. So ayan, tingnan natin ulit. So papakita ko sa inyo yung descending channel. So ito yun. So if you can draw a channel projected down. So tingnan nyo yung mga base ng channel na yan. Ito yun. Ito yun. At marahil ay bumagsak pa ulit palalo yung market natin relative to the current price. So ito yung pwedeng magiging possible support. But of course, I'm also considering this one. It can be also a pivot point para mag-bounce. Pero sa ngayon ay wala tayong nakikita na ganyan. So nag-bounce siya dito. Okay, more or less malapit dito sa low ng candle na yan. Pero yun nga, yung bounce niya ay nagkaroon pa rin ng matinding sell-off. At tingnan nyo naman yung volume dito ng sell-off, mas mataas yan kaysa sa past day volume. So this is a very significant sell-off. It indicates very strong sellers here at this area, and it might break this support. So this is support 6,320. We might further the market might still further sell off, and then after that we will see what will happen, what will be happening. ang ibig sabihin nito ngayon na iwas muna tayo sa mga blue chips kasi kahit nagkakaroon man ito ng mga bounce play setup, hindi siya uh, possible na hindi siya mag-materialize. Instead, magpapatuloy pa rin yung downtrend. So, ano ba yung play natin? So, basically, pinofokusan natin. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na walang opportunity sa market natin. So, most of the time, nasa small caps and mid cap stocks yung opportunities sa Pilipinas kung wala sa blue chips. Right? Yung iba naman, they prefer, of course, if the index is downtrend, so some traders prefer to just step away, step out from the market and trade other markets like US market or forex market. So anyway, ay tinitingnan ko yung mga small cap and mid caps and ngayon if interested kayo, nasundan itong video na to, ay malalaman nyo yung mga tinitingnan kong stocks, right? So kagaya nito, tech is really looking good. So if you analyze the weekly, so makikita nyo na we have here the lows and nagkaroon ng higher low and we have here a trend line resistance at nagkaroon naman dito ng another higher low. So basically parang trending itong weekly chart natin. At titingnan natin sa daily chart ay makikita natin yung W pattern here. So W pattern is a reversal pattern kagaya nito. So this is W. Teka. So maliit na W and tingnan nyo naman ang nangyari. So nag-rally. So ganun din yung setup dito. Rally and then another posibleng mag-rally. So tech is one of my stock picks for next week. So ngayon at makikita niyo naman na meron tayo itong bullish engulfing which indicates malakas dito yung buyers. However, it comes with a light volume. So parang hindi siya trustable na bounce. So mangyari ay mag-wait tayo ng mga further confirmation kasi pag walang volume malimit dyan ay mag-rally konti then back na naman and then continue downtrend. So ito ngayon si tech walang volume so ibig sabihin hindi significant yung price action. Alright, so that's tech. Tingnan naman natin yung iba. EPO, ayan may volume dito so possible mag-continue to i-retest niya itong high. So either here or here. So lagyan lang natin ng area for yung lines. Or kapag malakas pa yung yung mga buyers, pwede niyang i-test ulit yung high ng candle na yan or ito. Yung prior yung highest na swing high. Okay, that's tech. APO. So, napaka tight ng consolidation dito sa may area na yan. And we see a breakout and retest with volume. So, possible ito yung target natin. So, how much percent? It's around, malaki-laki din, 21% to 25%, that's quite nice. And then, let's say yung stop loss mo is nasa baba nitong black candle. So, we have around 1:2 risk reward. So, maganda yan. So, pwede yung tech. So, APO pala. Alright, so tingnan man natin mga kababayan natin, kinukumusta ko sa inyo, kayo lahat from different parts of the world. By the way guys, paki-subscribe na lang sa aking YouTube channel para tuloy-tuloy yung ating information sharing. So I'm really looking forward na maka-reach ng 1,000 subscriber, punta lang kayo dito sa aking YouTube channel. So, ilan na lang at halarga na tayo. So, pag maka 1,000 tayo nito ay possible mapapadalas yung ano ko, yung mga live videos ko or mga uploads. And good thing is that I'm not only covering the Philippine market, I also cover US market and forex market and cryptocurrencies. So marami kayong matututunan. Itong YouTube channel ko, it has been running already for 3 years. Nga lang ay hindi talaga ako very active kasi alam niyo naman, meron akong full-time work at wala masyadong panahon para mag-create ng videos. And I'm also day trading. So, but of course, I would like our kababayans to learn from me. So, I will do it via my YouTube channel. So right, but of course, if you would like to learn from me one-on-one, then let me know. Kasi meron din akong mentorship program for any kind of market that you would like to learn. All right, so back to the studio. So Jesse, may sumaya ka magbulong. So yes, medyo afternoon dito ngayon at I'm just preparing for the next week. At weekend talagang yan talaga yung preparation time ko for the next market. And yung stock update ko ay nare-release ko din every weekend. So kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe sa Philippine Stock Market update ko, where I am posting my weekly recommendations, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nakalipas na mga stock update ko. Ito. So for example, last week, ito yung mga recommendation ko: LAN, Converge, ICT, GTCAP, APL, and DNL. So, meron din mga to since itong Excel file na to is or Google Sheet is for this year. So, ayan. So, kung gusto niyo mag-subscribe sa update ko, which I will release today, then let me know via PM. Right? So, back to the charting. So, APO na analyze na natin. CLI, medyo uptrend. Consolidation inside the triangle. So, hindi pa natin malaman kung mag-breakout ba to or it will break down. So, but fundamentally, CLI is really a very good stock. And as far as I know, mayroon silang mga share buybacks recently. So, CLI, share buyback. So, big sabihin na yung mga may-ari ng company nito ay binibili nila ulit yung mga shares nila. So marahil ay mura yung shares and they're expecting to rise up in value in the next few years. Alright, so but now wala tayong buy signal pa kay CLI. So ito naman, SEV. Ayan, so flag pattern. But gaya ng sinabi ko, iwas muna tayo sa blue chips kasi medyo walanganin pa yung situation natin sa ating index. So walang volume. So I will not pay attention to it. Ito naman, papansin nyo, although maganda yung itsura ng pattern, but kung titingnan na to, may mga matataas na wicks dito every time pupunta yung price dito, nagkakaroon ng sell-off. So medyo malakas yung sellers dito. So pwede ito pullback. So i-retest niya yung mga low ng pattern na yan. So ayan, tingnan. So pwede tayo mag-draw dito ngayon ng trend line kasi every time tumatama dyan yung price, nag-sell off. So possible dahil sa activity na nangyayari dyan ay magpo-pullback yan papunta dito. At titingnan naman natin kung ano mangyayari kung i-retest niya itong support. So FGen. So for now, hindi ko yan papansinin muna. Ito naman, MRC. So low volume, high volume ng selling. So and downtrend pa rin yung trend. So tingnan man natin yung weekly. So medyo pa rin, alanganin pa rin. So wala pa tayong buy signal dito. So we will not entertain that. So medyo yan ang epekto kapag medyo yung index natin ay downtrending. So konti lang talaga yung opportunities. So ito naman we have a symmetric triangle, but doesn't really mean that it's no buy signal. So it's still under consolidation. We have high here, we have the low. So back to the daily. So uptrending, marahil ay next target is here. So if you want to buy this one, I would be placing my stop somewhere here. So and then of course I would be also watching for a breakout in this trend line before buying. So if you are watching for a breakout, so you can see that the risk is quite high. So it's not really a good setup. And then, by the way, volume is really very dry. So again, it's not an interesting stock for me for this week. Ito naman, although maganda yung niya, volume, pero very extended, so hindi ako bibili niyan. So mostly bumibili lang ako kapag yung price is very close to the EMA 21. Ito still consolidation, and yung volume niya is also low. So and it's also a blue chip, so it's not interesting for me. This one rise up in volume, but you see the price action is pointing to a potential pullback. So kapag nag-draw tayo dito ng resistance line, you see every time tumatama dyan yung price, mayroon tayong sell off at mayroon pa ditong pin bar. So yung pin bar is indication, bearish pin bar, indication of strong sellers. And then meron pang another pin bar, rise in volume. RSI is even pointing down. So possible yan mapunta dito yung price or breakdown dito sa support na yan. Then dito naman yung next. So and then by the way, this is multiple tops. So this is bearish. R8 is a very bearish trade for me. Okay, this one looks nice. Century Pacific food. Actually, this was my recommendation a month ago. So malayo na yung I was looking for yeah. So this was a W pattern, and then look, malayo yung naabot niya. So I was recommending it last month for a bullish buy setup. So ayan, so W pattern, and for now it's still bullish. We have here a resistance that now is turning into support. The price is still above the EMA 21. We have a doji candle, so abangan natin yung so it's still under consolidation, so pwede itong mag tighten muna yung price action dyan, and then we can let's say it might form a triangle, so something like this. Inabangan natin if mag-breakout ba, then if mag-breakout sa trend line, then can be a buy signal. Pero pag ma-breach na itong low, swing low, I would be avoiding that since it might pull back much deeper. Alright, so ayan yung CNPF. So watch this lang muna, CNPF. Although maganda yung setup, but it's still not a buy signal. Alright, so ito naman, Converge. Last week, it was a buy signal for me. But at the moment, medyo nag-alangan pa siya mag-breakout. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hindi siya nag-breakout last week. So I was looking for a buy on breakout. I think above this 19.32. Pero hindi nag-breakout. Instead nag-pullback. However, the pullback is still above this trend line. So maganda pa rin. So possible magkaroon ito ng consolidation. So yung abangan mo is really a breakout or a close above, a daily close above this resistance 19.32. And what we do not want to see is a breakdown of this trend line. Kasi pag mangyari dyan, ang mangyari yan ay we have this target measured move to 15.10. That will be our next target for a bearish move. Alright, so next. Ito naman, it's really a tight consolidation. Let's check first the weekly. So looks nice. ICT, it was actually a recommended stock last week. So I will show to you. Last week was April 25. I think I have, yeah, there it is. Buy current price or better. So 129.55. So it's still a buy signal for me. So because as you can see, it's uptrending. And also this pattern, this current price action actually just broke above this trend line, and then it's consolidating above that. Tight consolidation at the weekly. You can also draw a trend line here, which we see that it's already has broken 2 days ago. Nag-retest siya, then still ending up white candle. I think it's possible to hit this one in the next few days or weeks. So, and then we have a risk. You put your stop loss somewhere here. So I think, so a moment. Lagyan natin stop loss dyan, 119.8. So I think we have 1.5 risk to reward relative to this stop loss. So measure natin kung bibili tayo sa current price at ito yung stop loss, ito yung target. The risk to reward is 1.77. So pwede na rin, but hindi lang lakihan yung position size kasi usually 1:2 risk reward yung tinitingnan ko for every trades that I have. So or you can go for that target but you raise your stop kasi kanina yung weekly target, weekly stop loss yun or weekly chart stop loss. So, pwede yung erase dito yung stop loss. Then if you buy the current price, you see that's the target and this is the stop. We have now 3.26. That's the risk reward. So pasok na pasok to. This is really a good one. Alright, so ayan guys, marami pa ako mga tinitingnan pa dito. But as of now, yan lang muna yung masishare ko. At again guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel para tuloy-tuloy yung ating content sharing. Marami pa kayong matututunan at plano ko nga i-share din yung mga trades ko sa Forex. Ano yung style ko, ano yung strategies ko na ginagamit for day trading the Forex market. And marami kayong matutunan for sure. And then US market as well. Again guys, God bless sa inyong lahat and good luck sa inyong trading.